Hey guys, it's Ray Simone. Welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I got this cute ginger look along with the install, then keep on watching. So I did lighten the hair up a bit off camera, and I must say this hair took really good with bleach. So to get the desired color I want, I'm going to be using cinnamon and Cajun spice in the brand Adore. And when I put this dye in the water, I'm just making sure that all of it is dissolved so I won't get a patchy look. And then I'll just keep on dipping the wig in until I get my desired look. Y'all, look how vibrant and beautiful this color came out. So first things first is get your edges out of the way because you want to keep them. So I'm going to be using Got To Be glue for that, and I'll just be blow drying them in place so that I won't have any stragglies left behind. After that, I'll be putting on my cap and doing the regular for the bald cap method. Now it is very important for you guys to make sure that the cap is completely dry before cutting off, therefore it won't roll back. So I'll be going in with my 91% alcohol and just wiping off any excess makeup that got onto it while covering my bald cap. Next, I will be cutting off my ear tab so that the wig can fit comfortably around the perimeter of my head and the back of my ears. And next, I will be going in with my bold hold, and I'll be putting 3 layers on around my head. I did 1 on camera, 2 off camera. And I'm just going in with thin layers, making sure I smooth that out as smooth as possible, and laying my wig down when it is completely clear and dry. So off camera, I did decide to cut off the lace, so I'm sorry I didn't show that part, but I did show everything else, so sorry about that, guys. So right here, I'm just taking my edge wax and I'm going to be putting that on my part in flat combing, hot combing that down and making my part as flat as possible. Then I'll just be adding some little baby hairs. And y'all, get into this install. I really love how this came out. I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, share my videos with all your aunties and uncles, and have a good day, y'all.